Hello traders, today is Monday, August 4th, and I'm Michael Boutros, currency strategist with Daily FX, here for this piece on the euro dollar. We're at the start of August trade, and the pair is at a very interesting support level, 133.72 into 133.93. It was highlighted in the last scalp report that we published on the start of July trade. Is a major support level. Okay, it's the 50% retracement essentially off of the advance from the lows that you put back in 2013 in July, and also the mesh off the 618 extension off of the May highs, which are the 2014 highs we made this year. So, to start off the month, it looks like we've made an outside candle here that we're sitting inside rather Thursday's range, which rebounded off of this key support target, and you have a key resistance momentum trigger in sight. Never advisable to call a low, and that's not what we're doing here, but we are saying that heading into major event risk later this week. You do have retail sales on tap tomorrow, ECB on tap on Thursday. With where the market's trading, you are vulnerable here for a near-term break higher. The levels are very clean. So we'll work with Thursday's range as a near-term opening range strategy. The highs maxing out right at 134, just shy of 134.47, 134.50. We'll highlight that region in the scalp chart. I'll show you in a moment. Key support, basically working against 33.72, 33.93. If you break below that, you're looking continuation. You want to be careful trying to chase this lower. And again, we never want to be calling a low per se, but that's the scenario that we're coming into as we start August trade. Here's what the scalp looks like. So you can see all of last week's range is basically capped by this 134.43, 134.48 region. And this is going to be our near-term bearish invalidation. So if we do see a pop above this, we'll look to buy dips basically into initially the previous yearly low, which was 34.76, that February low. But essentially the major key resistance at that point is 35.20 to 35.30. So you got some room there. At this region, we'd start to reassert our short side exposure. The broader trend is still weighted to the downside. We're not disputing that. But as we head into the start of August trade, it does remain vulnerable for a near-term reversal within this downtrend. Again, keep in mind that event risk on Thursday. We'll be covering it live in the Daily FX On Demand room as usual. Till then, best of luck trading, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning, the scalp webinars at 8:30 Eastern on Daily FX Plus. Cheers.